Welcome back. So we're looking at the daily work. Stay with me, please. We're looking at the daily work for evaluating expressions. These are the answers for 7, 9, and 12. So looking at 7, the trick to this is identify where your variables are. I have 2 variables, and there is the value. So I'm going to rewrite the expression, but anywhere I see where there's a variable, I'm going to put a set of parentheses with some space in there instead. Okay? That will give me a chance to put in the value for the variable. What's the value for this variable?
-6.
Okay, so in those parentheses I set up, I'm going to put a -6. Looking at what I have, I see this multiplication. So 15 times -6 is? Help. Negative what? 90, okay. -90, then plus 24, and then I see this double negative here. When I have a double negative, it becomes a? Positive, so I'm going to turn that to a plus. And now I have -90 plus 24 plus 6, which she tells me is -60, and I'm going to believe her because she said it with such conviction. If you don't believe her, grab a calculator, double check the numbers. Because I will make a mistake and say things with great conviction, and I am completely wrong. Especially when it comes to dealing with the numbers. All right, feeling okay with that one? Let's move on to number 9. Same idea with number 9. We're going to identify where our variables are. There's one. There's the other. I'm going to rewrite everything exactly the same, but where I encounter that variable w, I'm going to leave some parentheses for myself. I've already got a set of parentheses, so I'm going to have to make them look different somehow. This time I decided to make them small. What was my value for w? -1. So in this space I left myself, I'm going to write -1. Looking at this as a whole, I see I've got some parentheses. So I'm going to handle this set of parentheses. -1 minus 14 is? -15. Very good. 6 times -15?
-9.
We're multiplying.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. 6 times -15. -90? Okay. Oh, because it's like the other one from number 7, isn't it? Yeah, okay. And then we're done. Looking at number 12, identifying where the variables are and my value. So anywhere I see that variable n, I'm going to set up a set of parentheses so that I can put the value that they gave me for n in those parentheses. Okay. So there is 2 parentheses here stuck next to each other. This parenthesis is for the variable, and this parenthesis is this one. Okay? All right, I'm going to deal with this stuff first. I'm going to do this right here. So 6 times 5 is 30, and I'm not going to change anything else. So I'm just going to write everything else exactly the same. Okay, I'm going to deal with the stuff in this parentheses next. And now I've got 2 groups of multiplication with subtraction between them. So I need help with 8 times 31. Can I have help 8 times 31, please? Someone with a calculator?
248.
248. All right, when I do 248 minus 15, I get?
233. I got that.
Ta-da!